Oh So Pretty, Punk Imprint, 1976 to 1980. This book is loaded with various graphic design for flyers, zines, ads, magazines. Some of what you'll find in here is okay, but others are just outstanding. Let's go find some examples. I'm liking this. This is like a DIY cut and paste type of flyer. And you got motion, activity, energy. Perfect flyer for a punk rock show. So we got bold colors, cut and paste. We got some energy here. Here's a departure from the cut and paste and then photocopy. Notice the use of white space and negative space. Another excellent design here. We got black and white plus an accent color of that red, really standing out. Liking this one here too. Notice the motion, activity, bright bold colors and the contrast. Zigzag magazine cover using the cut and paste photocopy method. Nice bold colors. We got an attention grabbing poster here. We have a poster here for the vibrators. If you notice the trend of the minimalism. Very bold and striking poster and flyer for Generation X. Poster for the Sex Pistols. If you notice with this, you still got some motion and activity, some bold colors, bright. Also, it's instantly recognizable, due in part to its simplicity. I love this design for the Damned and Dead Boys. It's a poster for one of their shows. I like this one because it reminds me of those old school boxing posters or like carnival posters. If you haven't noticed already, you're going to find some similar patterns enclosed in this book. There are quite a few professional designs, some experimental designs. They really push the envelope. I think that's what I like about it. There's a combination of professional, well thought out designs, plus, in addition to that, the cut, place on paper, and then use a photocopier method of design. It's a great style as well. This book mixes it all together. It has over 500 pages. Check it out. See you on the next video.